we have a Samsung TV with white screen or whitish, like when you see the picture, but it's very white. I seen with Samsung, LG, Toshiba, GBC. It's not a common problem, and some people think it's a gamma issue if you have a T-con board, but it's not, it's something else. If you don't have a T-con board on your TV, it nowadays is very common. It's very hard to find what is the problem, because on the T-con board everything is signed, like where is the VJ, VJLA, or the clockwork, or in that case like the VCOM. So it's a Samsung TV, it's on the main board. On that spectacular model, there is the sign for where is the VCOM. So you can measure it. Because Samsung TV is not that easy, so what I did, I measured with the screen both the cables plugged in, and there was no voltage. So I know usually you need around 7 voltage for the VCOM. I measured anything else which is nothing on the main board. You know, you have like test point, or sometimes they put a place where should be like the USB port or something. Where can I find around 5 voltage or 6, 7 is the other, but something like this. So I found that one. After I try to look back on the main board, where is it coming, so I can cut it and I can inject there the power to check it. So let's look the board. It's coming from the back of them, very tiny lines, and it's going in both of the screen, so we just need to follow the point where is it coming from. So I measured the continuity, so that's the 2 lines. So usually the VCOM is 2 lines, usually in that practical model, yes. So we just follow and follow and follow. So there was where I cut it first, but it was not the ideal, if you see. So I cut it in the second place. I soldered back where I cut it to make it right. After I will cover it, etc. Check it, there is nothing, no continuity. I put it a tape for a test because it's a metal back on the TV, but yeah, so I found, let me see, where is it? Yes, so I found there around 6.5, which is good, and it was not connected to the VCOM, so for us it's perfect. If you don't find on the main board like this, you can use like voltage stepper, or they selling like a panel booster, so they can make the VCOM. So for a test, I use the cable, I solder that, and let's see what will happen. And we have a perfect picture. I used the boost panel because that is safer, and it's ready to go home, and the family can enjoy the TV again. Thank you for watching us. See you next time.
If you need assistance with the repair or have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us via email at info@southlondonrepair.co.uk. We're here to help